I chose to come to Denmark a number of years ago for a work opportunity, and now I live in the West Coast with my young family. We think it's such a fantastic place to raise our children. And now I'm studying a Master's in Business and Organisational Psychology at the IBA in Kolding. I actually took a career break a couple of years ago, so I'm hoping to use this education to refocus my career and build on the existing leadership skill set that I have to take it back into the workplace. I am waiting to see which of the subjects that we cover really resonate with me before I make a firm plan, but I'm confident that the education will provide me with plenty of opportunities in the future. I have always worked in big multinational companies, and when I reflected back on my career, I realised that the thing that mattered to me most was about people. So I chose this education to expand my knowledge on this subject, on how employers can create a good environment for their employees, motivate them, develop them, and ultimately look after their well-being. We study a range of subjects from work and well-being through learning, training and development and consumer psychology, and we look at all of these from an organisational psychology perspective. The lecturers are so engaging and many of them have real life experience, so they're able to bring the subject matter to life with examples. We use a variety of different learning methods, ranging from independent reading to discussions in the classroom and group work and group presentations. And the lecturers provide us with the framework and the structure within which to learn, but the responsibility is on us as students to get out of the course what we want to. The courseworks all have a really real-life feel, designing workplace interventions, for example. So it feels like it's given us really practical experience that we can take out into the workplace after the education. Last semester, we went on a company visit to visit a local company and see their culture and well-being practices in real life. We also have the opportunity to attend more general company visits with other IBA students. The IBA premises are such an inviting place to be. The classrooms are bright and open, and many of them have fantastic views over the city of Kolding. The on-site services are great, the food in the canteen is good, and there is access to a counsellor and career support as and when it's needed.